Hi, I'm April Golightly. Today we're gonna actually purge some stuff out of my closet. My husband actually built me this very large closet in my bedroom slash studio. Now it's our studio. It's kind of bursting at the seams, as you can tell. I have been purging a lot already, but I'm gonna do more because I really want my clothes to kind of have some space and also be able to see what I have. So let's get started. Okay, stuff like this. You know, it's a jean jacket, it's a size small. I don't know why it's in here, but it's gotta go. I also have like 4 other jean jackets, so it's like, why do I need this non-fitting, 100% non-fitting jacket? So it's gotta go. I don't know, what do you guys think of this? I feel like these off the shoulder or one shoulder dresses are just totally not in anymore. I don't know, I might try this on and alter it. I'm gonna put it in the to be altered maybe pile. What size is it? Let's see, it's an extra large. So yeah, I do love the pattern. I love the navy. This one's from Target. I got a long time ago. And I do love that it has like a stretch waist, which is pretty cool. It also hits like right at my waist. As a curvy petite woman, I like when things hit at my waist, so I never want to get rid of things that hit right there. But I'm going to see what it looks like. I'm going to kind of fold in the I don't know if that's going to work. We'll see, I guess. Okay, here's this blue dress. It's kind of like a stretchy material from H&M. I have some really cute photos in it, but I don't know if I still like it. I haven't worn it in a very long time. I'm going to try it on real quick. See, like this little thing that goes on? I don't really like that. I feel like I like these. Also, I don't like the sleeves. It's definitely too tight, and I don't think it's like worth keeping in the pile of too small things. So I have a pile that I'm keeping, max 10 things that are too small that I'm keeping. Right now I have, let me show you what I've got in here. I have this little dress that is a little too tight in the bust area, but when I lose weight, my bust goes down a little bit. But it's super comfortable and awesome for summertime, so hopefully by summertime, it'll be fitting again. It's from Amazon. I absolutely love it and huge fan. And the colors just look great on me. Also, this very dressy Lily Pulitzer dress. It's like really, really thick material. It's a size 10. I've worn it to like fashion shows before. It just looks super cute on. Also, it has pockets, even though it's kind of like a poofy dress. Definitely a big fan. I had bought this secondhand, and it's just amazing, and it looks great on me. It's like the perfect style for my body type. I'm on the fence about this one. This is from American Eagle. It is a romper. It's just like super light linen, perfect for summertime. It's a size large. I probably should try it on. It has like the shearing in the back, so that means it has good stretch, and then it has a zipper, so that means possibly could fit into it. So I'm gonna try it on, see if it fits. The other one are these cropped pants, like in this beautiful mustard yellow. I really love yellow, and these pants are just like awesome. When they fit, they're size 10. And they're St. John's collection. Super expensive. I got them secondhand also, but I'm a big fan. I also tried this skirt on, and it actually still fits, which is awesome. I'm going to put this back into the closet. Definitely keeping it. Okay, next up, I'm getting rid of this Cynthia Rowley dress. The like zipper is kind of getting like tarnished, and I just don't like love it anyway. I've had it for a really long time, and I've probably worn it once. So considering that, I think it's gotta go. This is like a super cute bodycon dress, but I think it has some stains on it that I just like cannot get out, that I've tried a lot, and I haven't been able to get them out, so that's definitely a gotta go. There's this top. I'm going to try this on. I really used to wear it with like a skirt that matched this, but that doesn't fit me anymore. I don't know if I like it. I think it's cute, but I don't like love it. I'm gonna try it on, see if it works. So it's a little too snug. Actually, it's really not that bad. It's snug, but not terrible. It's kind of, I do hate anything with these stupid buttons on the back, but it's like silk, so that's probably why. It's really not that bad. It's a really cute like v-neck peplum. I just need to wear it with the right bra. I think that's the main thing. Is like right now I'm wearing a what is it? A racer back bra. And so when I wear the racer back bra, it works. But a lot of my bras just come like right here. So I have to just make sure that when I wear it with the right bra. And I think just like a pair of jeans and like, it's cute. Okay. Ooh, found something I haven't worn in a while. The next dress I want to talk about is this one. It's a cute wrap dress from, I think, ASOS. I wore it to, I think, Universal. That was like a huge mistake. It totally is not like a breathing material, so I was super hot. But I wanted to like get the vibe of like Harry Potter world. It's just like a weird material. But I kind of like it for like a menswear vibe. Ooh, it's too tight. It's like would go too low. So I gotta decide if I want to keep it into the too small pile, if it's like one of those, one of the 10. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put it in there for now and see if there's anything else that might like end up bumping it. This top that like I never wear it. It's from Loft. It has like a silky front and then like a kind of stretchy back. It's just like a basic black v-neck shirt. I don't know why I don't wear it. It's so weird. And it is a extra large. So right now it's, maybe I didn't wear it because it was too big. But I feel like now, ooh, it's pretty cute. It's got like this panel in the front. Yeah, I think it's good. And then it has like French cuff sleeves. Yeah, I probably didn't wear it because it was too big. But I think it's gonna, I think it needs a wash. Got like some makeup on it, probably from me trying it on. But yeah, I think with a wash that I'll probably put it into the rotation. Yay, I'm actually like finding things that like I haven't worn in a really long time. Opening up closets. Super fun. So I have this dress. It's like a very like chill cream dress. It's from this brand that I actually like. It's Win Layers. It's just not something that I wear like all the time. I feel like it's a house dress. So I'm moving my house. So right now I'm on the second floor of my house, so I'm moving my house dresses down to the first floor so that I can easily grab them in the morning, just like wear around the house dresses type of thing. So yeah, this is, it's weird because it's a maxi and it has pockets, but it's kind of heavy, but soft. So I'm a fan. It's getting moved into the house dress category. I have one other one that's like similar material. It's like stretchy, but still cute. But not something that I like really would wear out. I probably at one point have worn both of these out, but I feel like at this point, these are house dresses. And then if anything, emergency, you know, like gotta get the mail or something, run somewhere, I can still wear them out because they're like actual clothes. I'm gonna try this on. My friend gave me this. I think this is from Dia & Co. Michelle Studio, size 16. I don't really wear blazers anymore that much, but I might be. Oh, it's not bad. Kind of cute. Ooh, it's got pockets. Ooh, it's comfy. I'm keeping it. Let me know what you think. Here are a few things that I just recently got from my Dia & Co. box. This navy dress and then this green shirt. Super cute. Definitely keeping both of them. So I'm actually using these like velvety hangers now because they're a little bit thinner, so I get like more space with them. Here are a few dresses that are a little too small on me right now. I know this one is super popular on Amazon. I have it in navy that's a little bit bigger and it fits really well. This one is a little too small for me, so that one's gonna go. And it's not worth like saving in the small pile. This one, I do love this dress, but it might, no, I think I tried it on recently. It might have shrunk a little bit, and it's really short, so I think it's gotta go. It's from the teen area of Nordstrom, so I feel like BP, I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but I think it's just a little too short for me. So this one has like legit never fit me. I just love this print though. It's like it says size 14, but I think it might have shrunk or something. It's just a little too small, but I do love it. It's like I love it. So I'm keeping it as my to fit into eventually piles. Hopefully it'll work for me eventually. Look at this giant plastic hanger. I don't know. I bought these. They're so huge. I feel like this is like a dude's hanger. Okay, let's go through some of this stuff. Okay, what is this? This is a pair of like cropped black pants in size large. I think definitely need to try these on. I don't think they fit anymore. They're kind of beat up, actually. They look really worn and pilling. So I think they're gonna go. Oh, I just recently got this, maybe not even a year ago. It's like a black V-neck bodysuit. Super, super cute. Totally fits. Love it. Okay. Ooh, this is a black Boohoo bodysuit. So I think I gotta try this on. I'm pretty sure that this is too... Oh, maybe it does fit. I have one that is like way too short for me. It says it's a US 12, so I gotta try this one on. I have this jacket. I don't think I ever wore it. I think a brand sent it to me. Let me see. It fits kind of, it's kind of a little bit on like the big side. Yeah, it's a little too big. I might put this in the alterations pile and see if I can alter it myself or have it altered to fit me. It is double-breasted, which usually I'm not a fan of double-breasted, so I don't know. What do you guys think? I wonder if I can turn it into like a cropped jacket. I might do that. This is like stuff that I've like wanted to do with my sewing machine for a while. So like, why not test it on something that I already own? So if I mess up, it's no big deal. I was planning on donating it anyway. Here are some navy jogger type pants that I got from Uniqlo. They're cute, but they're like, I don't know. They definitely don't fit. They're size large. Oh, maybe they do. They say 30 to 32 inches. So maybe they fit. I'm going to try them on, see if they fit. I got a big try-on pile. I have those same ones in black. Let's try those on. Ooh, these are really cute. I totally forgot about these. See, when jeans don't have like hooks in them, they get put with like all of my shirts, and then I forget that I have them. I need to like separate them so that I don't forget, because I haven't worn these in a while and I do really like them. So yeah, they're like a tie-waisted high-rise from Democracy. Democracy is pretty cool because they actually have like a panel in the front that like sucks your tummy in, which I totally need and absolutely love. And then these ones are like the softest ever, so definitely keeping these. Okay. I like totally love this vibe, but it is way too small on me. And I don't think it's like worth keeping. This one, I broke it, which is sad, but I don't love it enough to like want to actually fix it, so it's gonna go. This feels fantastic, by the way, guys. I don't know if you've ever done this to your closet, but I feel like a weight is being lifted off of my shoulders. It's fantastic. Black blazer from the drop, Amazon the drop. Huge fan of this blazer. I have it in 3 colors. I think in all the colors that they have, it fits me amazingly. Ooh, this like black lace top. Totally love that top. Keeping that one. Liverpool blazer. I think I got this one from either QVC or HSN. Definitely a big fan. Super cute, simple black jacket. Fits really well. This one is from Lush, which is, I think they rebranded it, but it's pretty much the same top from Nordstrom, but I think it's seen better days. It's kind of been through it, so I'm getting rid of it. And I already have another black top that's very similar to this. I don't need a bazillion of the same basic top. Okay. This is like a faux leather BB Dakota jacket. It is a size medium, so it totally doesn't fit me. And it's starting to look really worn. I think I'm going to get rid of it, which I'm really sad because I did love this jacket a lot. Yeah, it's beat up. This one's from Amazon. I've had it for a while. I really don't like these like spaghetti strap tops because I never find a good bra to go with it, so I never wear that one. This gray one is one of those cold shoulder tops, and I don't really love the neckline, so not keeping that. Feels great. So yeah, I scheduled the donation for pickup, so I'm so excited to get rid of all this stuff. I'm gonna put it in bags and they'll pick it up from my door. Yay! These are super cute little, I think they still fit there, stretchy, like cropped pants. I know that they're not super flattering on me, but just sometimes when I want to wear like shorts and not pants and like be comfortable, I feel like cropped pants just work. So they're not the best as far as flattering wise, but as far as comfort wise, I think they really work, especially if you're in a warm climate and don't want to be wearing shorts and dresses constantly. It's just like a lot of times you just can't wear pants all the time. Anyway, definitely keeping those. I also have a top that matches it somewhere. So it's a really cute little set. My channel focuses on curvy petite women and making them feel fabulous. So the first thing you got to do when you're curvy and petite is figure out what clothes work for your body type. And with this, I've realized a lot of things don't work for my body type. So I'm getting rid of them. And I encourage you to do the same so that you feel like when you go into your closet, there are things that you want to wear that fit you, that look great on you. And so you're looking at a bunch of choices that are all awesome fitting, make you feel great clothes. You don't want to go into your closet and feel bad about yourself. I want you to open up your closet and feel like every single piece in there makes you feel great and makes you feel confident and fantastic. I want you to open up your closet and feel fantastic about yourself and be presented with amazing options rather than a bunch of really, really poor, options. Let's get rid of the poor options and leave only the best. So I have a huge pile of all of the stuff that I'm getting rid of, and here are all the hangers. I'm also donating some hangers, the plastic hangers that I'm replacing. So hopefully someone will get an awesome bag of hangers from the thrift store pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do another one of these videos in a couple months when I want to purge my closet again. Thanks for watching.